An afternoon train from Purley to Victoria, 1955. "Hello," she said, and startled me. "Nice day." "Nice day," I agreed. "I am a Quaker," she said, and Sunday I was moved in silence to speak a poem loudly for racial brotherhood. I was thoughtful, then said, "What poem came on like that?" "One the moment inspired," she said. I was again thoughtful. Inexplicably, I saw empty city streets lit dimly in a day's first hours. Alongside, in darkness, was my father's big banana field. "Where are you from?" she said. "Jamaica," I said. "What part of Africa is Jamaica?" she said. "Where Ireland is near Lapland," I said. "Hard to see why you leave such sunny country," she said. "Snow falls elsewhere," I said. So sincere she was, beautiful, as people sat down around us.